Dealing with Toxic People in Your Life, Part 5. Let's talk about setting boundaries. There are several ways to set boundaries with toxic people. The first, most obvious, and most effective way is to go no contact with the toxic person. Block them on all social media, block their number in your phone, don't read emails, don't open letters, etc. Obviously, not all of us can do that. There are a lot of situations that would make it impossible to end contact with a toxic person. Maybe we are financially dependent on that person. Maybe they are a parent or a boss, or we share children with them. If you can't go no contact with a toxic person, you can set boundaries. For example, if the toxic person brings up a topic you refuse to talk to them about, you can politely say that you don't wish to discuss this topic with them. That is a boundary you are setting. You might also say that you will see them, but not in your home. In that case, if they show up at your door, you can say that you are happy to talk to them in their house, or in the front yard, or in their car, but you don't feel comfortable with them in your home.